story of this hour. The Parliament membership of NCP MP Mohammed Faizal was restored just hours before the Supreme Court was going to take up his plea. During the hearing in Supreme Court, Justice K.M. Joseph highlighted the pertinence of being careful when it comes to sentencing MPs. The Supreme Court judge orally remarked that automatic disqualification of parliamentarians upon conviction is a drastic measure, and therefore courts need to be careful when it comes to sentencing lawmakers. The statements comes as Congress leader Rahul Gandhi is also facing a disqualification. This after he was convicted in the Modi surname defamation case by a court in Gujarat. और इसी पर ज्यादा जानकारी के लिए मेरे सहयोगी हरीश इस वक्त फोन लाइन पर जुड़ चुके हैं। हरीश, तो टॉप कोर्ट की बहुत ही बड़ा मैसेज कि जब भी किसी को सेंटेंस करे लॉ मेकर्स को तो बहुत ही केयरफुल रहना पड़ेगा, तो काफी बड़ी बातें कही हैं उन्होंने।
Yes, good morning. These are, in fact, oral remarks made during Lakshadweep MP Mohammed Faizal's disqualification case, and we have to remember that these are not part of a written order, but at the same time, these comments assume significance at a time when Rahul Gandhi, as you rightly said, faced the disqualification. He was disqualified from the Lok Sabha membership after he got convicted for 2 years by a Surat court in a defamation case. So while hearing NCP leader and Lakshadweep MP Mohammed Faizal's disqualification case, Justice K.M. Joseph orally remarked that automatic disqualification of parliamentarians upon conviction is a drastic measure, and therefore courts need to be careful when it comes to sentencing lawmakers. This is what the court said. This section is drastic. This is why you have to be careful thinking about sentence, see how it ends. It says further, and for a further period of 6 years from the date of release, one stands disqualified. So the bench made the observation after it was told by Additional Solicitor General K.M. Nataraj that Section 8(3) of Representation of People Act leads to an automatic disqualification of parliamentarians soon after they are convicted for imprisonment for 2 years or more. However, Supreme Court has disposed of Faizal's plea against his disqualification in view of Lok Sabha Secretariat's notification yesterday morning, just before the Supreme Court hearing, restoring his membership. The bench took on record the notification of Lok Sabha Secretariat restoring membership of Faizal and closed this matter. But however, just before closing the matter, very significant observations coming in from the bench, which has implications in the Rahul Gandhi case, as you very rightly put. Back to you.
Yes, thank you so much, Harish, for all these updates. और अब आगे बढ़